Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we have a 2025 Ram 3500 single rear wheel short box Longhorn edition. So there's a repeat customer. They're up outside of Des Moines. They have concrete business. They have farms. They have cattle. I mean, they're in their truck sun up to sundown, pulling trailers, using these trucks for what they're meant to do. So for the front bumper, we went with our Alpha series. We got a 16.5 Warn winch that I guarantee you is going to get a lot of use. Our monster hooks right here, and we've got our Midnight series rigids. So for the suspension, we've got our 3-inch front kit. This comes with our Raptor shocks that are tuned to the airbag to get it an optimum ride. Also, with the 3-inch kit, we use our new Kelderman radius arms that are new for 2025. We're pushing this axle forward just a little bit so we have additional clearance so that our big tires do not rub. We also got our front steering stabilizer to keep the truck driving straight. For wheels and tires, we have 20-inch fuel wheels, and then we have 35 by 12 by 20 Toyo Open Country MTs. Being these guys are off-road all the time, they want the aggressive tire. So to control all of our lights and our dump valve, we've got a Switch Pro that we mounted here right under the light switch. So we got our main power on and off for the air system. Under that, we've got our dump valve, and then we've got our 2 lights. We've got our spotlights and our floods that are in our wings. And then over here, we've got our lights that you can hit when you're backing up to your trailer, lights it up, makes hooking onto the trailer in the dark really easy. So the rear system is actually our stock height. We just run the airbags a little bit taller than we do on the stock height. We like to have the bed set level with our 3-inch kits. We don't want to get too tall or else you can't get underneath your fifth wheels and your goosenecks. So the 4-link design, we run a larger sway bar to give you good stability when you're pulling those big trailers. We also have our Raptor shocks. They're going to give you a good ride whether they're empty or you're loaded. The control system we put on this is our self-leveling kit. It's our mechanical. So we have Haldex height control valves, same thing you use on a semi. We have one on all 4 corners, and this still has the ability to dump when you're hooking up to your trailer. We also have our dryer system on here. It's going to keep the moisture out, keep the air tanks free of moisture, because we don't want anything freezing up when you're running around in this cold Iowa winter. For the rear bumper, we went with our Alpha series, just like the front bumper. It's textured powder coat. We've got a pair of gloss black monster hooks. We also have our air chuck, which is extremely handy. You get to the farm, you got a low tire on your trailer, your ATV, man, you just plug in your air hose. You can air up, get going. Don't waste a lot of time having onboard air. Once you get used to having that on your trucks, man, it's hard to go without it. And then down here, we've got our 4-inch we got our 4-inch rigid LEDs, so you can flip those on when you're backing up to the trailer, and just makes it so much easier hooking on trailer in the dark. It's always awesome when you're building a truck for another Iowa, local company. It's even better when it's repeat business. So if you're in that central Iowa region, keep your eye out for this kick-ass truck. I guarantee you, it's not going to be this clean the next time you see it. Thanks again for watching our video. We really appreciate it. You can follow us on our social media platforms listed right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, hit that bell so you won't miss another video. If you want to watch our last video, click on the link in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.